There they are, all ready to go, and I'm going to put a battery in the little one and go fly it and try to film it.
Motor on.
So motor's on, and here we go. Little toss, off she goes into the wild blue yonder, more or less. Right overhead. Motor off. High speed pass. Yeehaw! Whew. Probably just disappeared on the camera.
ESC 12.
It's gonna be a pixel or two.
72 Fahrenheit.
Turn the volume down.
50.
And circling back. A little wind out of the south today, and you can see my shadow. You know, I got my back to the wind and to the sun. Sun this time of year gets pretty low around here. I'm going to take it out. I've been flying it in safe. Don't want to show you a crash. So here she comes. Up. And there she is. Okay, let's go again. This time out of safe. Okay, AS3X. Right overhead. And out of sight. Oh, you definitely can't see it now. Okay. Well, I got a little out of control. Luckily I have decent eyes. Here she comes back. I estimate that airplane got up to about 300 or 400 feet. And back in sight. Here she comes. A couple of split S's. And back. So let's try that loop-de-loop thing again. Woohoo! That is such a hoot. You probably just saw the sun. Okay, I'm going to stop here and check and see if my video is actually recording or not. I know it's recording. Question is the airplane in the frame. There we go. Okay, let's go fly Big Brother on this 1800 4S right here. First off, pick the Conscendo 1.5. Selected, plug it in.
Motor off, rate mode, altitude, no data, ESC, no data.
Okie dokie, tie this one down tight, really tight. Snap. There she is, ready to go. Motor's off, safe mode. Flaps are up.
Loiter mode, landing flaps, GPS acquired, flaps
Yep,
out.
flaps are working. Controls sound good. Here we go.
Landing flaps, flaps up.
Okay. Motor on.
Altitude, 4 feet, ESC.
There she goes. This one will show up a little better on the GoPro. Oh, got it in low rates. Let's go to high rates. Can hear my variometer. I'm going to shut that off. Variometer's off. And back into the wind. Come by here and make a high-speed pass. Now this is probably going to be going faster than the UMX version was. It's just not going to probably look as fast because it's a bigger model. Let's get down just a little bit lower here.
Altitude, 43 feet, ESC, 16 0 amps, 77 Fahrenheit.
So this one rocks too. Climbs like a banshee. Let's put it in AS3X. Couple of beautiful turns right back over the camera. Highly aerobatic little airplane. Go to the low pass.
Mode A. Altitude, 72 feet, ESC, 16.5 volts, 0 amps, 82 Fahrenheit.
Having a hard time getting it down. I think I got a little lift out here. It's still not low enough. Let's get it a little lower. There we go. That's a low pass. And a zoom. I have safe mode set for a vertical climb. Does it beautifully.
Manual mode.
Oh, there's some lift. Cool.
Altitude, 38 feet, ESC.
Let's do a big loop.
4 volts, 0 amps, 79 Fahrenheit.
Yeah, wind's starting to pick up a little bit. See if I can get it to hover. Easier to do if I have it in safe. No, I don't think it's going to. But if I get up high enough. Let's see if we can hover it up here. In this wind. Okay. ground speed though. You can see the difference. Probably got a 8 to 10 mile an hour wind.
Manual mode. Thermal mode A. Manual mode. AS3X mode.
Okay. Got it right. It's actually, I think, flying in manual mode a minute ago. That is no gyros. For this airplane, I had to set up AS3X in position that is normally gyros off on all my other models. When I put the flaperon settings in, it will almost hover. Look at that. Oh dear. So graceful. And the nice thing about these airplanes is that, or sailplanes, whatever you want to call them, is that they don't have landing gear. And the grass here is too tall for everything I have except my timber, I think, to fly. Certainly can't take a jet off here. Might be able to get the Cessna 150 up, but not sure. Okay, that's enough. Let's bring her in. There you go. Safely back. Motor off.